What's for lunch today? I cooked an easy recipe, crispy tender fried chicken. Firstly, I peeled and crushed garlic, then added in the washed chicken. I washed it with a little light vinegar and water. Add in 2 tsp of seasoning. Then 2 tsp of sugar. After that, add 1 egg and a half cup of multi-purpose frying flour. Mix and combine everything well. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. Next, coat the marinated chickens with the dry multi-purpose frying flour. Finally, it's time to fry it. Fry until it becomes golden brown. Once cooked, toss the chicken. Looking crispy and also tender in the inside. Done with a dish for lunch. Thanks for watching. Follow for more food videos.